Okay, look at this app that we have in our business. It is called Switch Sell Build. And Switch, because I'm gonna, we have over 450 products. Every product that everyone uses every single day. Either you buy it on a supermarket like Walmart, Costco, BJ, or any supermarket, or you can buy it in your own business, in your own platform and store, online, exclusive products, and then all those products that you buy will give you points, and those points will give you money at the end, right? So then sell, because of course, whatever is good for you, any products that's good for you, you can sell it to other people that may like it as you like it. Okay, all of these products, they have 180 days money back guarantee, so that means that you can also use them. You don't like it, let's say you try anything like a toothpaste, and then you can give it back to the company, and they send you back the money right away. You can find out more. I'm just going to give an example. If you have more questions, we can do a Zoom meeting, and I can explain to you with more details. Now, build, and this is where the money is when you build a community of people like you, like us, like do the same, and they duplicate what you do. And so this is where the money is. They make a lot of money, and you make a lot of money. You show them and you teach them how to make money, and then as when they make money, you make money. So it's not that you will always be making money. No, 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 no. They should be making money. You should show them and teach them how to make money, okay, until they are free to do it by themselves. And then at the same time, everyone is making money, okay, because this is a team. So that means there will be no competitors like any business. If you open, let's say you open a restaurant, and you show your people, or you teach your friends to run a restaurant, they will open a restaurant next to you, and then that will be your competitor. If you sell less than them, they will of course get the most amount of clients, and you will finally go to bankrupt, or you will be in problems. Right here, when you show people how to make money, you make money, everyone makes money. So the most important thing is that you have to make other people money. They have to make money, they have to create a team, and that's our job, just to show them how to do it and what to do. Okay, so let's start. For example, here we have beverages and mixes, food, must-haves, and of course your favorites. Let's go here. And okay, for example, we have 17 different flavors of energy drink, and then let's see that you this type of, instead of drinking any soda like any Coke or any Red Bull or Monster, so you will use one, which is, if you see, the price is $1.80 per use, zero sugar, 8 to 10 calories only. Also, it's all the way they boost you up is by 4,900 percent of vitamin B, B complex. So that's why. So no sugar at all. And then different flavors, like if you can see here, cranberry, grape, citrus, tropical, lemon, and then okay. Let's say that you take one energy drink a day, and your wife or your husband or your significant other takes another one. Okay, so you two daily. Okay, let's see. Let's say that you work out. Okay, you go to the gym, and you would like to get some amino acids to work out, or any tubes to go, or let's also say that you take some chips, okay, or any protein bar, This is only an example. It doesn't have to be the same products. Just let's see. Okay, so we have gummies, and let's say you want to take Omega. Okay, and then let's say you want to take some protein shakes. Like here, you use these pots. Let's say you like vanilla. Okay, one, and that's it. Okay, let's say that you spend $6 a day. This is you, okay? You can spend more, you can spend less, but let's say $6 only in these products daily, right? And let's say you consume this or you use this for 30 days, right? So that's gonna be $180 monthly. Now you say, well, that's a lot of money. No, it's not, because I'm sure if you think about what you take when outside of your house every day, I'm sure you take more than, you spend more than that, right? Like if you take a coffee, if you buy a coffee at Starbucks, it's gonna be like about $6 or more, right? And if you take it daily, plus a burger, plus a croissant or whatever you take, so it's gonna be way more money, right? So let's say $180. Okay, so, and then let's say that if you like those products, you're gonna talk to your friends and you're gonna invite them. Let's say five clients that you find that would like to consume $6 a day, right? You explain this, and then if you find the clients, which is easy to find 5 clients, right? So you're gonna be making $205. So that means that the 180 that you already spend, you're gonna get it back plus some more dollars, right? So at this point, your products will be for free, and then you're gonna be making a little bit of money, right? But now let's say that you find 10 people like you that want to do the same, 10 entrepreneurs that will make the same sales and purchases. So they will purchase $6 a day, and they will find 5 clients. Okay, so let's say this takes you 6 months to do this. That's perfect. You're gonna be making $2,000.27. That's a job right there, and the only thing you have to do is find those people. That's it. Let's say it takes you, and this is extra, you don't have to quit your job, you don't have to do anything like that, just do it in your free time. Okay, when you have some time, you do it in an hour, you contact them through Facebook or anywhere you want, and then you do it that way. Or in the street, if you go to a restaurant, you meet someone, you talk to them about this. You make friends, and then you invite them to do the same. But now let's say these 10 people, they find 5 people, okay? Those 10, 5 only, find only 5 people that do the same activity. Not even 10. You're gonna do 10, but they're gonna find 5 people. So you're gonna be making $7,143.12 monthly, right? Now, what would you do with this amount? Extra, you don't have to quit your job. Okay, let's say to make this, it takes you a year. Would that be worthy? Of course it would. Okay, so your use, if you see here, okay, your use will be, this is how much you get paid to use the products, to use $180 in products. They're gonna pay you for $42.98 back. Has any store paid you this anytime? Never. So your customers, when you have your 5 clients, you will be making $338 in totals. Okay, and then your group will be giving you $6,761.40 monthly. So in total, you will be making $7,143.12 monthly. Annual will be $85,000 and 717.15. Think about it. Take a screenshot, think about it, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm sure not every job gives you this amount. Okay, bye for now. Call me if you have any questions. Bye-bye.